Hello and welcome to Magical Miniature Mondays with Resin Bell. Today we're going to be creating a potion in the potions classroom, and then we'll be doing a DIY magical miniature make. So stay tuned for that at the end of the video. Hit that like button and that subscribe button, and let's get crafty. Welcome to the potions classroom. Today we're going to be creating the Miniverse Make It Mini Potions for Harry Potter, the Murtlap essence. So this is what it's going to look like. Then we have all the instructions, and then of course we have all the different kinds of potions in the series. So the first thing we need to do is get our cauldron ready. This is the cauldron that comes with it. It has beautiful details with a single ring around the front. It's a nice squat little cauldron. It's adorable. It has little pointy handles. Each cauldron for each potion is different, and I love each and every one of them. So let me get this open. Okay, so there's that. I do recommend a pair of needle nose pliers to pull this off carefully and gently, and so you don't have any spillage and you have all of the control that you need. All right, there's our resin already ready. This comes with this gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous little potion bottle with a nice fitting little lid with a cute little finial on top. How adorable is that? Okay, we'll just take the top off. I'm going to set our little funnel inside and set that to the side. This is the adorable little potion label that comes with it. It's just a sticker that you peel off and place on your bottle. We've also got an adorable little ladle with a little pour spout on the side. How cute is that? And here are our potion ingredients in this handy dandy little container. Look how beautiful those ingredients are. This bottle has a beautiful clear topper, like an antique medicine bottle, which I love. Love the little design on the label. It's a beautiful purple. And then this potion ingredient has some cute little leaves on the design. It has these beautifully made little sticks that can be placed inside of your potion. Now, one thing I will say, when you're doing potions that have mica powders with them, don't dump in the entire bottle unless you just want your potion to look like that. The reason being is that it's very opaque, and you want to be able to see your little sticks, because if you put too much of that, you won't see your little sticks at all. So we're going to go ahead and pour some of this into our cauldron. Look how cute. I'm trying to be careful because I don't want this to go everywhere. Oh my goodness, I love the little topper for that. It's just adorable. I'm just going to put a little bit, and then we'll mix it up and see what it looks like. Oh, that's so pretty. Swirly swirl. That's just a little bit purple. I think we could probably add a little bit more. Just a smidge though. I don't want to go too crazy with it. Okay. Very nice. All right, I think we can go ahead and place our little sticks. Let's get some of our nice little organic ingredients here. I'm only going to use a few of these. I don't want to put them all in there. I want to save some for my potion bottle or display. All right. Now then, let's put our potion inside. Ooh, so cute. That's wonderful. Okay, yes, you can still see the sticks, so that's wonderful. I'm gonna go ahead and place my lid on. Ooh, it's so cute. All right, now I've just got to cure it. I love that it has lots of bubbles in it, so I'm trying to cure it so it stays, so the bubbles stay in. Because that just kind of adds to that whole potion-y goodness, I think. It's lovely. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't think I can really show you just how amazing this potion is and how swirly. Oh, you can kind of see it there. Just how kind of swirly and purpley and wonderfully good this potion is. And you can see the sticks, and you've got all these kind of little swirls. When the light hits all the little specks of mica powder, it is just amazing. All right, I've got a bubble in there that's floating around, so I know the very center is not cured. So I'm going to put this under the light for about 10 minutes, and then we'll come back and finish this up. All right, so while that is curing, I'm going to go ahead and grab one of my little Dollar Tree bottles, and we're going to put some of that purple essence inside of that new bottle, because we have plenty of extra resin in here. So we're going to create another potion. All right, we'll put our little thing in there, and then we'll cure that too. Look how cute. Look how cute. It's so yummy in there. Okay, so now we can put our label on, and this potion is going to be done. Oops, I'm tearing my label. Be careful when you peel these off. Alright, I think I'm going to put it right about here so I can still see the little twiggies in there. Yes, I like that. And then you can write on those if you want to, because how cute! Oh my gosh, they're so cute! All right. All right, so there's those two, and now we're going to move on to creating a magical miniature to go in our potions class. Okay, so this magical miniature is inspired by this little feather I found while out on a walk. And it's just so pretty. So I thought I would make a little quill out of it and then create a little inkwell to go for it to sit in. So we're gonna work on that, and I think we'll go ahead and start with the feather. I think I want it to be, I want to bring it probably Down to here, we'll make it a nice longer quill. If you just clip that part, you won't end up with a bunch of these little pieces of feather all over the place. I'm going to be taking a little bit of these feathers off. Just tear those off, and now I'm going to trim up to the end there. How cute is that? That's very cute. I'm going to trim the other side a little bit now too. Trimming it from the wrong direction. I think I need to be trimming it. There we go. Say, don't trim against the grain, trim with the grain, even if you have to flip it over. A little bit tighter with this one. Perfect. I've got a little quill. I might even take it down just a little bit more. Yeah, a little bit more. Perfect. We have our cute little quill. Okay, so I just took my X-Acto knife and I put it at a diagonal and I cut just to give that a nice little kind of writing point. And it's just a nice little detail to add to the feather. Alright, so I baked the ink, and then I stamped, before I baked it, I stamped just a little bit of a design here. You can't really tell that much. It didn't come out that well, but there's a little bit of a design on there. So the first thing I think I'm going to do is paint this in with black, the word, so that you can see it, and then we'll paint the rest. Okay, I love how that turned out. It's so cute. You can kind of see the stamping just a little bit more, some little checkers. And yeah, I like it. What do you guys think? Isn't it cute? We can sit our little... How adorable! How adorable is that, you guys? I love how that turned out. Hopefully you guys liked it too. Let me know if you have any ideas for some magical DIYs you'd like to see. And yeah, just tell me in the comments below. What do you think? All right, here we go. Here is our cute little bottle of ink and our quill for writing. So, okay, I'm so glad you guys joined me today for Magical Miniature Monday. I will hope you will come back and see me next Monday when we will create another potion and another magical mini for our space. If you want to see the other videos, including the backdrop and all of the goodness that's happening on Magical Miniature Mondays, go check out the description for a link to the playlist below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Until then, keep it crafty.